turtle at...
I don't want someone to open the door and get smashed in the face.
That was weird.
Come here.
Look at his back leg.
He's being silly. Go back up.
Yeah, meow.
Yeah.
You were like this to me.
Oh, frick.
He just appeared down there.
Don't get in the way of the door. He's rolling. February, I think.
No,
After we came back from Phoenix and moved.
No, February is when we moved
March.
in.
March.
Yeah, March is.
It was like the beginning of March, I believe.
Yeah.
What date?
It couldn't be February because that's
Well,
when
actually,
we
wait.
moved
I
in.
can check what date because I have a picture on my phone.
But still, it wasn't. It wasn't in February.
I think.
It wasn't in February.
Let me check where my picture.
Hi, baby. It's okay.
Oh, he's playing with his leash.
Here's that. Listen closely. No, hear over here. Sound. Hi, kitty.
We got March 13th.
I knew it.
My head. It's so weird. His eyes were blue. I didn't know that.
He looks so different.
Well, that's because he was fluffy, because he was a baby.
Like, put it next to him.
He was so tiny.
Let's compare him. He's so light gray.
Here was my hold him in like one hand. Now he's like. He was like this big when we first got him. He's rolling. I've never seen him do that.
Meow.
Maybe his eyes weren't blue. They were blue.
He's like, open the door.
This is. He was like posing.
What?
Yeah. He was like.
What the heck?
He's like this.
That does not look like Tarian at all. He looks so young.
He looks like a baby.
Look how dark gray he is right now.
Here, watch out. Here, in front of him.
Rub his belly.
Rub your belly. Look at him, Mom. He wants me to rub his belly. Mom, look. Wow. I've never seen him do this.
He's like, see, I'm a good kitty.
Because you weren't recording. So curious. But I'm so hungry. Haven't eaten breakfast yet.
Good morning. How are we?
Oh, good. How are you?
Good.
Constant for the right amount.
Is this Tarian?
Yes.
Lord
How
Tarian.
does he know my name?
No.
Like,
Stop getting down.
So have you actually watched all the way through to the series finale, to this finale?
It was intense.
The final season?
But it was not as intense as the second to last.
It was really
I
the
felt,
final season.
yeah,
It was very rushed.
you and everybody else.
And they made a lot of like annoying
Take the leash off.
stay. 8.11. Take a peek. You got cute little kitten teethses? Oh yes. You got some nice teeth. I know. I'm sorry, I have to look at all the things, and this is this his first vet visit?
Yeah.
Oh man, and you're getting tortured already. You're actually pretty cool looking. You're a cool color of gray. Yeah, do you smell those?
he was really light gray when we got him.
Yeah. He's a cool little cat. doesn't have a heart.
He's looking everywhere. Doesn't have a heart.
He's a vampire.
Maybe.
Stay here, bud. He says, no, I don't want to stay.
Stay.
Alright.
Don't want to
He's
stay.
got a nice little strong heartbeat. Oh, hang on, I know. Last part's going to be a quick temperature, so I'm going to have your mom just distract your head over here. Yeah. And we're going to just sneak around the back. Cat's over in you.
Oh no, here comes the shot on his butt.
No.
No, just a temperature, so we're going to...
It's okay.
Hang on. I'm really gentle, I promise. Sit still. Hey, shh.
It's okay.
Easy. Just stay there for just a second.
It's okay.
I only have the tiniest little bit, I promise.
It's okay. It's okay. He's like,
Hang on. For cats, half the time the problem
There
is
you
just
go.
the restraint. They're like, no, I don't want to sit.
He does not like to be restrained, that is for sure.
Well, everything looks good. Now, I remember talking to you on the phone. So first vet visit and then no vaccines before, right? This is his first round of vaccines and everything. Indoor only, outdoor.
Indoor only.
Meg,
Taking him
excuse me, Betty.
outside on a leash.
Okay.
But I don't.
Well, I'll ask the doctor and double check that if she wants to do that. But I'll put in this first set of vaccines and we'll go from there, okay? Right,
He loves that.
You really are a cute cat. Yeah. I'm surprised. And the other thing with him being a Tom, that's not.
Put him on his new bed. This should be his new bed. There you go. I just don't want him to get out if someone opens the door or something.
I bet he's energetic. Does he hide underneath the bed and you were playing attack? Even I lost my stuff.
Is that a computer?
Yeah.
It's like, ooh, a computer. It's behind the computer.
Curious kitty.
Shark boy.
Okay, stay.
Is this the shot?
What with that?
Do you have a heart? Huh?
No.
He's got a heart.
Yay.
I think he's about done with us, isn't he?
You're comfortable.
Oh, you're doing okay.
Does he love his belly?
And the tail works. So, is he strictly indoors?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, we've taken him out a couple times.
No. Okay. This is cats. We do offer leukemia FIV tests. There are a couple viruses out there that can be and not show any signs. So I think it's more for cats if the feral cats and outdoors. But we do offer that test, especially if you have other cats, because they can transmit it to other cats. So totally
Today,
up to you guys.
I want cost to stay minimal.
Totally understand. If he's sick and he keeps having issues, we can always test him then.
Yeah.
Because it affects their immune systems and FIV, of course, can be.
Yes.
And we do have a bit of a steroid shot.
Okay, I'll give him my last
of
pet
course,
and kiss.
his mind was pretty sore. But most owners, they're not to come back for this the little steroid shot. Most of them, after day or two, are pretty good. But I've had some that are pretty sore.
Question. 2 questions.
Mm-hmm.
He I'm not sure, but I'm worried that he is.
I was playing with
Oh,
his
no.
nose and then he went bloop and ran in there.
Oh, cat grass might actually.
I can't see him.
Of course not.
Oh no, I can't.
It's a little dark in there. Oh my gosh.
Come here. Kiss at you like a duck.
Here's
Come on, we're gonna try our training techniques on
He is
him.
not a dog.
Like he wants to play in here though. You can walk down this main street and walk with PETA and stuff.
What are you doing?
This is kind of a calming thing, and we're gonna distract him so he doesn't know what's going on in the back
He
end.
doesn't kill the vet.
See? That's the trick of this whole deal.
Nope.
Hey, there he goes. Hey. I know. I know.
Hey, here goes the shots.
Okay, Travis, hold on. Not Travis. Okay, let him go. You're gonna have to.
Oh, you've got
Okay, watch. Make sure he doesn't bite you.
It's okay. It's okay.
And when I let him go, he's gonna be mad. So don't pick him up.
It's okay. Ow!
Oh goodness, what happened?
Read his eyes. What are they saying?
They're okay. He's okay.
They're not saying he's mad.
No. It's like.
It doesn't matter all of us.
Well, if you want to be
He
a
doesn't
vet,
really
lots
get
and
mad
lots and
very
lots and lots.
He
of
seems
schooling.
okay.
I don't know. Okay. I feel bad for giving him a shot. Oh, he's not going to get you.
Don't go back there again. Don't go back there.
I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna hide.
Yeah, he's okay.
He was pretty good. A little
Yeah.
too crazy for me.
Thank you.
Did you get your
See you
shots?
guys.
Thank you, Dr. Griffel.
Thank you.
We finally got it.
Enjoy the rest of your summer, okay?
We shall.
Go kitty.
Like 2 months?
No, it's like 8, 9 months, 10 months.
Alright. She's gonna be 8 and 10 months.
Now you're on a
You would have.
It's a chip dumpling on top.
I'll let you borrow my HBO Go and you need to go watch it.
Go spend hours and hours and hours in there and watch it.
Stand.